वी हैव बीन अश्योर्ड that जे कॅट लॅब आनी ते सगळे पड्यान उलयल्ले ते म्हाका दिसता तुमी चोयलां. वी विल मेक श्युअर दॅट म्हाका दिसता देर इज अ अर्जंट नीड टू लूक एट द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर विथ रिगार्ड्स टू सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल. दुसरें जे मडगांव जे ट्रॅफीक डायवर्जन जावपाक जाय बिकॉज दावोली विथ रिगार्ड्स टू आमगेले स्टुडंट्स एंड स्कूल्स अ लॉट ऑफ स्कूल्स within close vicinity, close proximity, leading to a lot of traffic problems. And because of this, basically, students and parents are जायत आडकोड जाते. So we have been assured कि जे on the lines of Fujira complex, Margaon जो दावोली land they will look at it of shifting the school from Margaon and the nearby periphery. Sportsaचे जेन्ना आमी उलयले calling attentionाचे, almost 110 crores are pending with regards to the national games. So this is something that is a major issue, whether the government has sports person, why they are kept for so long pending so long. I think the government has to answer. Education department aje jenna ami demands aje ulaytna we have showed that this government hurriedly tried to get NEP implement करलो आणि आमगेले तेंगे डबल इंजिन सरकाराक खुश करपाक. There was a lot of clarity. I personally raised a lot of queries with the education system, the failure. 1300 जे इस्कॉल आहे तितून फक्त 650 इस्कॉलां इन्स्पेक्शन जालां. दे आर ऑल इन डिलॅपिडेटेड कंडिशन. मुखेलमंत्री आज सगळ्या लाडू दिवपा पावता. लाडू दीत आपण टॅबलेट दितालो लाडू दिवपा पावता. चोयल्यार म्हाका दिसता म्हाकाय दिला सगळ्यांक दिवपा भोंवता. ते मागीर आमी घेवपाचें कितें तें म्हाका दिसता तें चिंतपा जाय हेजेर. म्हाका दिसता तो सुद्दां एक्नॉलेज करपाक जाय तेका. तेगे ती जे एक स्पिरीट आहा, स्पिरीट म्हणजे कितें, ही इज ग्रूम्ड इन द नेहरू युवा केंद्र एंड ही एक्नॉलेज दॅट टुडे. दॅट इज वन ऑफ द काँग्रेस पेट प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड ही इज पार्ट ऑफ द नेहरू युवा केंद्र. सो दीस इज समथींग दॅट ही एक्नॉलेज. जें तेच लागून म्हाका डावट लागतालो कित्याक आतां ते भाशेन न्हेसोता आसा नेहरू जॅकेट घाल. मोदीगे डायलॉग कित्याक मातका मो आतां ते नेहरू जॅकेट केसो सोणा तो तेसो घाल घान दिता. सो डिफरंट अदर सब्जेक्ट्स विथ रिगार्ड्स टू मायनींग, वेन वील इट बी रिस्टार्टेड, ड्यूज इतले पेंडींग आहाय, सबज्युडीज कोटाय, देर इज नो स्टे ऑन दॅट ऑर्डर. जात ते भाशेन म्हाका दिसता दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट सिरियस विथ रिगार्ड्स टू सेवरल अदर colleges, Goa Engineering of College, Goa College of Architecture, Goa College of Art, जे Polytechnic colleges, सगळे flaws जे आसले ते आमी तांकां सांगलां. I hope he implements it because the way, if you look at the amount of dropouts also in the apprentice scheme selected, there's a dropout in the SEC and the HSCC exam. That is a very shocking thing. खास करून NIT जे आमकां सांगलेलें, IIT land जे आसले, there is several land in Nylon 66 and SEZ. Why those are not utilized? He had no answer. But you would think हांग्यार जे पड रिवण गायला थिंग लोकांकूय नाकमो एक बोवाड जालो. तेच भायर IIT आनी सगळे इन्स्टिट्यूट बरे आहाय. उदाहरण तुमकां सांगपाक सोदता, NIT in my Kunkolim constituency, and I being leader of opposition, it is difficult and even for the chief minister to make sure that local Goans get the job. खास करून कुंकोळकार. So he has assured me and definitely you have seen that there are Radhista, this is almost the end of the second week and every day the government has been cornered, hammered on all the sides by the opposition and we will take this fight.
Mining
जब प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज जे आन्सर ते डिफरंट ते लिपोवंक सोदता
ना. So answer कित मरे, this is a very very serious matter and the speaker should take cognizance of this. Yesterday also there were same questions but different numbers, manipulations. Vijay Saddesh has given one, I am given one, Cruz is given one. सारखे हे सगळो बाजार जाता. Absolutely not ethical, not professional, no accountability. आन्सर जेन्ना म्हाका सरबत 10 रुपया सांगता, दुसरे मुडे 15 रुपया ऐकल्या मुडे 8 रुपया. सो दे आर इट्स अ एब्सोल्यूट केओस, केअरलेस एटीट्यूड. मुगे जी आन्सर आहली ती आन्सर पयले जे ब्लॅक स्पॉटाचे आसले, ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटाक आयले ते ट्रान्सपोर्ट काटा PWD जाता. PWD डान ते मागीर होम डिपार्टमेंटा वयता, परत ते मागीर ट्रान्सपोर्टा येता. सो देन द स्टार्ट पॉट इन्सारपा आहले ते अनस्टार्ट जाता. सो ऑल दीस टॅक्टिक्स इफ यू सी, दीज आर ट्रिक्स यूज्ड बाय this ruling dispensation. I don't know this used to not happen. Even when I was a young boy, I used to travel with my father. I've never seen these type of activities that are happening now. These are all blatant misuse, and the departments are not serious. Then common.
बॅक एंट्री करू शकता कशें दिसता मेडिकल कॉलेजीन
100%. अरे वी सेड यू प्लेस इट ते मोठे जावपाचें ना. ते मेडिकल कॉलेज मोठं प्रायवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज आम ते करपाक दिवपाचें ना. द पीपल ऑफ गोवा विल. अरे दॅट इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वॉज बिल्ड बाय द काँग्रेस फॉर द कॉमन मॅन. थिंग सारकी लिफ्ट चलनाय, ब्लड टेस्टिंग जायना, थिंगा कसली सुविधा ना, दोतोरां शॉर्टेज आहा, सगळें हें आसतना. कॅट लॅब ना, न्युरो सर्जरी लॅब ना, इतले एक्सिडंट वाडटा. MRI मशीन ना, कार्डियक दोतोर सोमना एक पुसा येता. And you have to give. Can our people afford this private medical for what?
The government job for medal winners.
100% medal winners. तांकां ते आन्सर ना रे. ते फक्त national games म्हणून बाबू आसगांवकर म्हणटालो during the Congress time. 10 years he used to speak about it. I think started in 2011 and during the Congress term. What infrastructure they have done, what they have done. You see, सगळे players, they have all hired players. What they were doing, sleeping, and now 100 crores is the due. 109 crores. I had spotted. Whether they are going to clear it, why they are waiting, what is the happening, they only.
Dilip Baba, you are happy with the Dabolim declared by the PM?
I'm telling him, Dabolim is a ghost step. UDF fee पडटोन सांगता, user development fee. तो पडटे देंवूय तो मोठो सांगता. तो मोठा parking fees देंवता. हें हांवें तेका पयले दिसा सांगलो. You have to work on these things. And if you look at it today, all the airlines have shifted. GMR has been given a tax revenue holiday. So where is the question? They are not serious. I feel that the whole idea is about the land deals around MOPA. Which politicians are involved with the land deals is something that you all need to do investigation, journalism, find out. Who are the people around it? They don't want Dabolim. This is all a nexus between these crony capitalists and politicians.
So school library teacher issues आहात ते.
Library teacher इतले मरे सगळे कडे teacher almost 800-900 posts pending आहे. And these have to be filled, and it is a serious issue. Let us see. He has assured that he would take it.